A graph is a collection of nodes that are connected by edges. The nodes are like elements of a stack. They usually contain values. The edges indicate some sort of relationship between the nodes. For example, the nodes might contain information about people, and the edges between nodes may indicate that they are friends or family. Here is an example with 3 nodes and 2 edges. And here's the same graph with some edge weights. A node is also called a vertex. We will often refer to a vertex by its value. For example, if a vertex contains value 5, we will call it vertex 5. Let's explore some graph categories. Graphs can be connected, which means that we can reach all the nodes from any node by following the edges. Or not connected, which in case some nodes are not reachable. Here is an example of a graph that is not connected. A is not reachable from E, D is not reachable from C, and so on. There are many ways to connect this graph. One way is by adding an edge between A and E, as follows. Let's call this graph A. Now every node can be reached from every other node. A graph contains a cycle when we can leave a node and come back to it without touching any edge twice. Graph A does not contain cycles, but we can make it cyclic by adding an edge. There is now a cycle between the nodes E, F, and G. Connected acyclic graphs are called trees. Graph A is an example of a tree. Let's move the nodes around to make it look more like a tree.